Hi. My name is Farhak. This is the final result of our tutorial today. So let's start. First we need to unlock this layer. Just click on the lock to do that. Once done, go to the properties and under quick action click on remove background. I will use this image as the background. Unlock the layer by clicking on the lock in the layer panel. Now go to Edit and on the drop-down menu choose Copy. Go back to the main window and go to Edit. On the drop-down menu choose Paste. Drag the background layer beneath main layer in the Layers panel. Create a new layer and drag it above the main layer. Select the main layer and go to Select. On the drop-down menu choose Load Selection and press OK. Select Layer 2 in the Layers panel and make sure the foreground color is black. Select the Paint Bucket tool in the toolbar and left-click inside the selection to turn it to black. Go to Select and choose Deselect on the drop-down menu. Choose Move tool in the toolbar and move the shadow slightly left and down like so. Drag Layer 2 beneath the main layer in the Layers panel. To make the shadow look realistic, go to Filter and on the drop-down menu choose Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur effects like so. And when it's done, press OK. To make it further realistic, switch to Dodge tool and paint the shadow like so. Now go to File and on the drop-down menu select Export and then Export as. Depending on what you want to do with the image. If you are going to upload it to the internet, you could choose PNG as target file type, otherwise choose JPEG. Input the suffix and press Export. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find the video helpful. And thanks for watching.